Hello students, in today's session we are going to talk about punctuation marks. We will learn what is punctuation, why it is needed, and we will also talk about 6 major punctuation marks which are commonly and widely used while writing. So, let's start our topic. What is punctuation? Punctuation is the set of marks used at the correct places in a piece of writing. It helps in proper reading and understanding of that piece of writing. Now, let's see why it is needed. Punctuation plays a very important role in giving intended meaning to the language. The correct meaning of sentences can be conveyed only if the sentences are properly punctuated. Use of wrong punctuation marks or even wrong placement of punctuation marks can change the meaning of the sentence completely. Let's see the 6 major punctuation marks and their usage, which is mostly used while writing. Now, let's talk about first type of punctuation mark, that is a full stop. The full stop indicates the closure or the end of a statement. Let's see where we use a full stop. A full stop is used at the end of a statement. For example, the baby is sleeping. Here, the statement ends with a full stop because it clearly shows what the baby is doing. Full stop is also used after an abbreviation and initials. For example, we use a full stop between B and A because BA is the abbreviation used for Bachelor of Arts. Let's talk about second type of punctuation mark, that is a comma. The comma represents the shortest pause in a sentence. A comma is used to separate words in a list. For example, I always have a pen, pencil, eraser and a ruler in my school bag. Here, pen, pencil, eraser and ruler are separated with the help of comma. Now, let's talk about third type of punctuation mark, that is a question mark. The question mark is used after the sentence which asks a question. A question mark is used at the end of a direct question. For example, did you complete the homework last night? Here, the question mark is used at the end of the sentence, which shows that this statement is a question. A question mark is also used at the end of a question tag. For example, he is a doctor, isn't he? Here, the question mark is used after isn't he because isn't he is a question tag. Now, let's talk about fourth type of punctuation mark, that is an exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used after words or sentences expressing emotion or strong feelings. An exclamation mark is used at the end of an exclamatory sentence. For example, hooray, India won the match. In this sentence, exclamation mark is used after hooray to show the strong feeling of happiness and at the end of the statement to show the excitement of the match. Let's see the other example. Alas, I lost my pen. Here, exclamation mark is used after alas to show the feeling of sadness. Now, let's talk about fifth type of punctuation mark, that is a double inverted comma. These are used to quote the exact words spoken by a speaker in direct speech. One rule which we need to follow is that quote, full stop and commas always goes inside double inverted comma. For example, this is my car, said Rohit. Here, this is my car is under double inverted comma because we are trying to write the exact sentence which Rohit said earlier, that is, this is my car. Now, let's talk about sixth type of punctuation mark, that is an apostrophe. An apostrophe indicates missing letters or to show position. An apostrophe is used to show the position of a particular thing by its owner. For example, this is Arun's bike. Here, the apostrophe S is used with Arun because Arun is the owner of the bike. Dear students, please note that apostrophe S is always used with the name of the owner. An apostrophe is also used in contraction. Dear students, when we join two words to make one word, we use an apostrophe. Here, I am becomes am. Here, we combine two words I and am with the help of an apostrophe to make a single word am. In the second example, we have combined do not with the help of apostrophe to make don't. Hooray! We have completed our topic. I hope the concepts are clear to you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning.